Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are doing fine. So, in last session, we were learning the phonic sounds of A, B, C, and D. Okay, I hope everybody have learned that phonic sounds, right? Okay, so in today's session, we will be learning the phonic sounds of the next four letters, that is E, F, G, and H. Okay, are you ready? Very good. So, do you remember the rhyme that we learned in last session? Shall we sing it together? Okay, let's sing. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. B makes a sound of b, b, b. C makes a sound of k, k, k. D makes a sound of d, d, d. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. E makes a sound of e, e, e. F makes a sound of f, f, f. G makes a sound of g, g, g. H makes a sound of h, h, h. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. I makes a sound of E, E, E. J makes a sound of J, J, J. K makes a sound of K, K, K. L makes a sound of L, L, L. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. M makes a sound of M, M, M. N makes a sound of N, N, N. O makes a sound of O, O, O. P makes a sound of P, P, P. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. Q makes a sound of Qu, Qu, Qu. R makes a sound of R, R, R. S makes a sound of S, S, S. T makes a sound of T, T, T. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. U makes a sound of V makes a sound of W, W, W. W makes a sound of W, W, W. X makes a sound of X, X, X. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. Y makes a sound of Y, Y, Y. Z makes a sound of Z, Z, Z. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. Did you learn the rhyme? Did you enjoy it? Very good. So we have already learned the first four sounds, that is A, B, C, and D. A, B, B, C, K, and D, D. So in today's class, we'll be learning the next four letters, that is E, F, G, and H. So let's sing the rhyme for E, F, G, H again. Okay, sing along with me. E makes a sound of E, E, E. F makes a sound of F, F, F. G makes a sound of G, G, G. H makes a sound of H, H, H. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. Got the rhyme? Got it? Very good. So what's the first letter? Yes, E. So what's the sound of E? Shall we sing the rhyme again? E makes a sound of E, E, E. E makes a sound E. E makes a sound E. E makes a sound E. Very good. So can you say any word or anything that is starting with E or the sound E? Yes, what is this? The cute, yes, elephant. E for elephant. What's the sound? E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. Very good. Did you got the sound? Eh. Now what is this picture? Yes, elbow. Elbow. E for elbow. What's the next one? Which bird is that? Yes, eagle. E for eagle. E for eagle. E for eagle. Very good. So you got the sound? Okay. Now what is this? E for egg. E for egg. E for egg. Got the sound? E for eraser. E for eraser. Got the sound? E makes a sound? E makes a sound? It's very easy, right? Very good. So shall we sing the rhyme again to get the sound? Very good. E makes a sound of 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 E makes a sound E makes a sound So what are the words that we learned with the sound Yes, E for elephant. E for eagle. E for egg. E for elbow. E for eraser. Very good. So you learn the sound of E, right? Okay. Shall we sing the rhyme again? E makes a sound of F makes a sound of f. G makes a sound of k. H makes a sound of h. So what's the second letter? Yes, F. So shall we sing the rhyme again to get the sound of F? Okay. E makes a sound of F makes a sound of f. F makes a sound f. F makes a sound f. F makes a sound f. We cannot hear that sound. It's like a blowing of a wind. Very good. So can you say any words that are starting with the sound f or F? Yes. What's this picture? Yes, it's a fish. Do you like fish? Do you know which fish is this? It's clownfish. It's very beautiful, orange and white. Yes. So what's the sound? F makes a sound f. Fish. F makes a sound f. Fish. F makes a sound f. Fish. Very good. So what is this? F makes a sound f. Fire. F makes a sound f. Fire. F makes a sound f. Fire. What's the next picture? Yes, flower. F makes a sound f. Flower. F makes a sound f. Flower. F makes a sound f. Flower. Got it? Easy sound, right? It's just a blowing, right? Very good. So what's the next picture? Yes, fan. F makes a sound f. Fan. F for f. Fan. F for f. Fan. What's the next picture? Yes, frog. F makes a sound f. Frog. F makes a sound f. Frog. F makes a sound f. Frog. Got the sound? Did you got what's the sound of F? Yes, f. So shall we sing the rhyme again? Very good. So together. E makes a sound of F makes a sound of f. F makes a sound f. F makes a sound f. F makes a sound f. Good. So shall we revise the words that we have learned today with the sound F? F. Very good. F makes a sound f. Fish. F makes a sound f. Fire. F makes a sound f. Fan. F makes a sound f. Flower. F makes a sound f. frog. Got it? This is also easy, right? Very good. So shall we sing the rhyme again to get all the sounds? Okay. E makes a sound of eh, eh, eh. F makes a sound of f, f, f. G makes a sound of g, g, g. H makes a sound of h, h, h. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. So what's the third letter? Yes, G. G makes a sound G, G. G makes a sound G. G makes a sound G. Got the sound? G. Very good. So can you say any words that is starting with the sound G? What is this picture? Who is in it? Yes, goat. G for G, goat. G for G, goat. G for G, goat. Very good. So you got sound G for G. So what is in this picture? G for G, gloves. G for G, gloves. G for G, gloves. Very good. What's the next picture? The yummy grapes. G for G, grapes. G for G, grapes. G for G, grapes. Very good. The sound is easy, right? G, G. Okay, what's the next picture? G for G, goose. G for G, goose. G for G, goose. G for G, guitar. G for G, guitar. G for G, guitar. The sounds pretty good, right? Okay. So shall we revise the rhyme again to get the sounds? Okay, sing it together. E makes a sound of eh, eh, eh. F makes a sound of f, f, f. G makes a sound of g, g, g. H makes a sound of h, h, h. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. Got the sound of G? G makes a sound G, G. G makes a sound G. Very good. So shall we revise the words that we have learned today? Okay. G makes a sound G, guitar. G for G, guitar. G for G, gloves. G for G, gloves. G for G, goose. G for G, goose. G for G, grape. G for G, grape. G for G, goat. G for G, goat. Very good. So you have learned the sounds. You have learned E, F and G sound, right? Okay, let's sing the rhyme again. Very good. Together. E makes a sound of eh, eh, eh. F makes a sound of f, f, f. G makes a sound of g, g, g. H makes a sound of h, h, h. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. What's the last letter? Yes, H. What's the sound of H? H makes a sound of h, h, h. H makes a sound h. H makes a sound h. H makes a sound h. Very good. So you got the sound of H. H makes a sound h. Good. So can you say any words that is starting with the sound h? What is this? Yes, hen. H makes a sound h. Hen. H for h. Hen. H for h. Hen. Very good. Got the sound h. H. Okay. What is the next picture? H for h. Hat. H for h. Hat. H for h. Hat. What's the next one? Yes, hand. H for hand. H for hand. H for hand. Got the sound? Easy, right? Okay, very good. What's the next picture? Where do you live? Yes, in a house. H for house. H for house. H for house. What's the next picture? A horse. H for horse. H for horse. H for horse. Very good. So you learn the rhyme, right? Okay, let's sing it together. E makes a sound of eh, eh, eh. F makes a sound of f, f, f. G makes a sound of g, g, g. H makes a sound of h, h, h. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. What's the sound of H? H. H makes a sound? H. H. Very good. So shall we revise the words that we have learned today? Okay. H makes a sound? H. Hen. H for h. Hen. H for h. Hat. H for h. Hat. H for h. Hand. H for h. Hand. H for h. House. H for h. House. H for h. Hose. H for h. Hose. Very good. So you learned all the sounds, right? Okay, so we learned the sound of E, F, G, and H. Shall we sing the rhyme again? Very good. Together. E makes a sound of eh, eh, eh. F makes a sound of f, f, f. G makes a sound of g, g, g. H makes a sound of h, h, h. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. Okay, children? Did you learn the rhyme? Did you learn the sounds? Okay, very good. Don't worry if you didn't got it now. Just practice this rhyme again and again, then you can learn it very fast. Okay, you can also watch this video again and again. You can ask your mother to put this for you again so you can revise and practice this. Okay, children? Very good. So we'll wind up the class today. So what all we have learned today? We have learned the rhyme of E, F, G, H phonic sounds, right? Okay, shall we revise the sounds? E makes a sound E. F makes a sound F. G makes a sound G. And H makes a sound H. Okay? Very good. Okay, children. So today's activity is you need to revise these letters and their phonic sounds. That is E, F, G, H. Okay? And don't forget the first 4 letters and their phonic sounds. Okay, so we have attached 2 worksheets in the description box below. There's a link for that, so you can just go through that and download the worksheets and you can practice that with the help of it. So dear parents, please note we have 2 worksheets attached, one for the class 1, that's the phonic sounds of A, B, C, D, and second worksheet for the phonic sounds of E, F, G, H. So you can just download it. It's free of cost. You just go through the link. You can download it or you can view online, and you can just make your children practice the words and also practice the alphabets and their phonic sounds. So children, we'll wind up today's class. So I hope all of you enjoyed it, and I hope all of you learned the rhyme and also the sounds of the alphabets. So see you in another video. Till then, take care, be happy, keep learning, have fun. Bye bye, and thank you.